Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
In Sales Cloud, primarily there is two things. One is a Sales Cloud and two flavors here. These two classics. This is a classic Salesforce. It's called classic version. And it has another switch to lightning experience. Inside in Sales Cloud, the notation Sales Cloud. If I go here, if you notice, here on top corner there is a setup. On top corner there is a gear. It's called gear icon. And gear icon. If you go inside it, there is a object manager. Like we have used data extension. Like we have created student or customer. Different table we have created, that is nothing but object. Similarly, in Sales Cloud, it has facilities for two kinds of objects. One is a standard object and one is a custom object. One is a standard object and custom object. If you go inside it, you go inside it. There is an object like this is the account. Majority time you use the account object. Account is a very frequently used standard object. This standard object, what is a standard object? Click here. It will be noticed here it contains many fields. It contains multiple fields here. Yes, account name, number and all. It contains lots of fields here. It's a standard object. That standard means already whenever we have created a new account. Salesforce, they already provided these objects and it contains 40 fields also. Account name, number, owner. Multiple values are there. It is a standard object. There is another popular object like lead. For business, the lead is important. You can find out the lead. This is a standard object, lead object. Click here. These are the standard objects. All fields as if you click any field. This is the field. It is a particular field. It is a data type text. Like in data extension, we create a field, text field or other form field or email field. All fields are here. There are lots of standard objects are there. Again, there is some object we can create by our own object. We can create, that is called custom object. We go here side, we can create custom object. Custom objecting means we can create our own object. Like here, we are creating our own custom object here like student. Give the value. Object name student. You can see. Just click on next. This is a custom object. We are creating our object for our own object. It is a we have created an object. This is a student object we have created. This is the object like data extension we have created. Similarly object. You need to click here. This is an object. Here you can create fields. By default, you can create new fields. Go through fields you can create which there is a text field. This is it. This is the text field. Oh, sorry. Previous, this is the field name. Like name. Save it, then create another field like email. This is the student name. And if you go to here, this is the, it is called app launcher icon. This is called app launcher icon. Click here since. Click here. If you click here, you will notice there is this object we have created. This is student object. If you want to create it, support, student name, share your email ID in chat box. Your email ID. It creates the record. I can try for new record. Do you want to get? The student is a custom object. You add is what? We are creating a record like data extension. We create the object and then we get the record value. Here we are giving 2 records. Got. Thanks. These will be the attributes. Yes, this is the name and name email. These are attributes. These are attributes. I have updated my email. These are the. It is just a video. Click here. Fine. We are details. Click here. I can add more value and more field, more record. Next there is a. Is there any option add more attributes? Yes, you can add to it. If you want to do it, I don't need to go. You can set up. Go ahead. Now you want to more attributes. Go to Object Manager. Go to such object. You can. Click on Student. Fields and relationships. Suppose we have already 2 fields. One is an email and one is a name. Now I want another field. Click on New. In the Object Custom object, we can add more attributes. Yes, custom object we can add. Standard object. Also we can add more fields. Already there is a separate account of the particular. Your fields are there. If you use, you can add more filters. You can customize that also. Suppose here is a field. Now I want to another field like phone field. Click on Next. Writing contact number. It creates a field. We want another field like city. These are all data types. These are all data type. Like during a circumstance data extension, we create that data type here. All of these are data types. There is a data type. Majority are here data type. Let's see. This is the. Now if you go here again, App Launcher. Click on Sales. Open Student. Now you can add more field values. Suppose you add page. You want to add. What is the 2 fields we have added? For real time, this says Cloud User Interface same. This is a you can customize. There is a lot of customization you can do. Customization is possible. That can do. And another thing is using other technology like AWC. You can do. We can make the exact like website normal website. We can customize that. Enter this theme background. This is the default. Everything can be possible to customize. Why is this? Two fields are matching. Let me check. See field text. And your seat field. Contact number. Phone field. There is no reason. Go to set. Now type it create new students. First create new. That is not on it. It is not coming here. It should come here. New fields we have added. That should be displayed. Let me check later. Any supply. It should be here. All these things happen. See, we can make it mandatory. Let me check. Those two fields are not coming. If you want to progress, you can. Just put your admin. Admin beginners. Click on admin. If you want to get some more knowledge, you can just do this exercise. Then your admin will be admin beginners only this. Trail that you can do. If you do it, your enter. It contains all Salesforce basic things. User report. Up to report in Salesforce admin. All will be covered up if you do this exercise. Inside it, lots of submodels are there. Up to it. User engagement. Reports, dashboard lightning experience. Data management. Data modeling. Salesforce platform basics. You can do it. Now move to our account. We will be able to. Some portion. Click here, Setup. Go to Setup. Click on Platform Tools. Salesforce integration. This is the upper Salesforce integration. Salesforce integration. Salesforce. Already. It is connected. It is one already integrated. Can we create a fresh? I have a little doubt that they allow. eSandbox. Scope by user. Salesforce selected user. Salesforce work IP correction. Follow different sub-soup. It is a challenge. If I want to suppose we have created on Salesforce account. If I want to connect with that. And that you just need to connect. Because Salesforce or which I have created now. That means. Let me check. Whether it is a permission is there or not. You need to disconnect account. Need to do. The first step today. I'm not doing it. Let me check it. One is a need to do. Disconnect account. First need to disconnect it. Need to connect with. Suppose you want to connect your account. I want to connect my account. Need to connect. That these approval is there or not. Need to check. This is the one step we need to do. Hello. And what is the Salesforce integration app? What does it do exactly? The purpose is that far we have used the data from our data extension. You want to fetch data from Sales Cloud. Suppose now I have a Salesforce Sales Cloud account. And that Sales Cloud data, like you want to bring lead. There is an object called standard, object called lead contact. You want to get that data to your account. Data. I'm showing you. If it is connected. Now I'm not doing it. Need to take some discussion whether it is allowed or not. Because if it is not permitted, then it will be risky. I need to take their approval. We need to go to what will happen. We have created Journey Builder. Journey Builder. Let me check. Let me see whether it is showing there or not. Have you noticed here? Salesforce data. Salesforce data. If you extend it, just notice here, it is a defined entry source. Salesforce communities, Salesforce campaigns, Salesforce. Here, click here. Click next. If both of my Salesforce, Sales Cloud account and these account is get connected, then we'll be able to establish here. Here, select an object. Let us check. This data will be coming from the Salesforce Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud data will come to here. This is a just it is not connected to system. Then all of the steps like entry criteria, entry data summary, and these will be your. This is not showing because that means it is not. It knows its connection established properly. That's the reason. It will be another source of data like data. Earlier what we have done? We have used data extension as our source cloud, which is as a source, and ultimate data extension as a source. Now your data source will be Sales Cloud. Understand what I'm telling. Next we have to showcase another thing. Next we need to go to Contact Builder. And here we need to go to Data Source. Data Source. Data Source. Data Source. Next Data Source. Synchronized. And here we get pretty new data source. This is the different thing. Create data source. From here, we get another communication between Sales Cloud. One thing we need to do. First, we need to set up. Here we need to communicate, and then this section need to match. Then it will be synchronized objects. Suppose the object will come, that is a contact object or those objects, that object will be displayed here. And then these objects, it is a part of the, then it will be, you will be available to access in the journey builder. That is the overall path. And here you will be create the established connection. Here will be established the connection. Salesforce integration. Here we need to create the integration and communication between the external Sales Cloud. Here, these are the parts. Marketing Cloud Connect. What are the steps? Steps is Marketing Cloud Connect, connecting the cloud, sending email from Salesforce, sending email from Salesforce using marketing email from Salesforce using Marketing Cloud. Synchronized CRM and data journey builder, tracking and reporting. These are the all steps. Part of that, next connecting the cloud. Reboot the prerequisite install package. You need to reboot prerequisite. Account configuration and data access. Install managed package. The moment it will be connected, we will install managed package. In setup it will be install managed package. Apply admin permissions. Set up Salesforce system user. Configure the marketing cloud. Configure the Salesforce CRM manage setting and test the connection. Keep the connection established. This is the steps. This is the you must have an enterprise tool. That is the one doubt. If it is possible to connect, we have a need to test it. These are all the steps. I am working on it. Let me check if I able to next level of progress. Tomorrow will be again set up. But today I am keeping it. Just you got an idea. What is the requirement for Marketing Cloud? One is your Sales Cloud account is required. Next, we need to create the connect in the setup. Third, it will be in go to contact builder, and then we need to establish the connection, and then it will be source of your journey builder. Then in journey builder, it will be another. Earlier, our journey builder source was Cloud Pages data extension, and similarly your Salesforce data will be another source of data. Then similarly, you can create the mail, and if you go to standard account like Sales Cloud, in standard account Sales Cloud, there is a suppose here. If you go here inside it, click on any record, it has an email ID. We go to contact object, suppose contact object. This is the contact object. Click on here. New contact object. Email is there or not? Email is there or not? Create account, object suppose it. In contact object, here you create your new contact with a new contact. New contact. Suppose you're creating a new contact. Suppose I'm creating my name. And this contact. Now we are expecting the moment here earlier. What we have noticed, the moment you have created Cloud Pages data, you have created Cloud Pages data, that data stored in data extension, and that moment this data entered into Journey Builder. Similarly, it is expected the moment will be created record here. A new record created, it will be, since it is a sales cloud, will be connected with the marketing cloud and these data code. These will be it will be entered into journey, and then as usual, journey builder, all condition permutation combination will be done. It will be another source. Now we've got the idea how it will be, how the system can work. You got some idea? And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.